Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So over the past couple of days, there's been a group of lads on TikTok, British lads, and they come up with a challenge. Cause as kids they used to really love the show Top Gear. So they thought, why not make ourselves a Top Gear themed challenge? Each buy a car that costs over, well, under €500 around that budget, 500 quid in England. They were trying so hard to find some cars. I think the one that we're considering buying is made a hearse. Yep, a literal hearse. But it were a bit above the budget. I think one of them were considering an ice cream fan. So yeah, the challenge was to buy a 500 quid car and drive all the way from Manchester to Ibiza with a cheeky little stop off here in Benidorm, and I found the cars, guys. Here they are. You got a clapped out Ford. Not sure what type. Oh, it's a 4KA that reckons it's a BMW Sport Series. Can you actually believe that these cars have made it all the way from Manchester, all the way down here? Citroen Saxo in quite a bright colour, and as you can see in the back, the inflatable canoe that I've had on the roof. There's a sticker there, driving to Ibiza. A bit of a brightly coloured car. I mean, it's got bright pink wheels. Then you got a Nissan Note. With eyelashes on. Now these three lads have drove all the way from Manchester to here. I believe they're having a bit of a break in Benidorm just to chill a bit after the long drive. Then from Benidorm I imagine it will be onwards to Denia. Down Denia you can get a ferry across to Ibiza. So best of luck to him. Take me off to him actually. I wouldn't have the guts to do something like that. I mean, then again, I can't actually drive, so. The other crazy one is someone's actually walked from Manchester to Ibiza. I think last time I checked he's somewhere in France or Italy or something. I mean, as if driving all the way from Manchester to Ibiza ain't enough. Someone's actually walked it. So yeah guys, I just thought I'd do like a quick little video there. Good luck to them. Go check out their TikTok channels. I'm not sure what their names are, but I'm pretty sure if you just search like from Manchester to Ibiza on either TikTok or YouTube, you'll probably be able to find them. Good luck to them as well. Anyway, see you in the next one.